All right, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your V2 project on Juicebox to version 3. All right, first thing you need to do is make sure that you get to your project page that you own, that you have the rights to, and click on project settings. Once you're in project settings, you can scroll down to project upgrades, and it'll tell you which version your project is. Mine is V2, and I'm going to start upgrade. Okay, so launch a V3 funding cycle. So start time, this is basically going to reconfigure your Juicebox project into V3. If you want it to just start immediately, you can leave it blank, or you can go to Unix timestamp.com and it'll spit out the Unix timestamp that you could use. So for me, I want to start this on December 1st at 1 a.m. And so I'm going to just come back here and put that in there. Okay, funding. I'm going to change my parameters. I'm going to change this payout to my personal, $1,000 every funding cycle. It's going to be a 14-day funding cycle. All right. And I'm going to save that configuration. For token, I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to keep it the same. Although I am going to add my personal address to the token allocation. All right. So I'm going to get 100% of the 25% of the reserve tokens. There's not going to be any reserve rate. There's not going to be any discount rate or redemption rate. I'm going to save that. And then the NFTs. So now you can add your NFT rewards here. I don't have any NFT rewards currently. And then my rules, I'm going to allow token minting. There's going to be a 3-day delay. And that means that I have to reconfigure it 3 days before the end of the current funding cycle. And then I'm going to save the rules. Okay. It'll give me my summary of my new settings here. And then I'm going to launch the V3 funding cycle. Gas right now is about $5, so not bad. All right. And so now my current version is V3. And so now I can go back to my project and it's going to say V3 right here. Okay. Go back to V2 and here's V3. And that is it. If you have any questions, you could always reach out to me on Discord or Twitter. Thanks.